People think Lovable is only good for prototypes, and today I am proving them wrong. I have spent 1400 prompts building my own course platform, just like Skool, but better. Custom design, AI features, and the best part is, it is a complete ecosystem. So let me show you exactly how it works in this behind the scenes video. Normally I always have videos like one prompt to this app, and I always got a lot of comments of people saying like, oh, it's only a prototype, oh, Lovable is not good for production, blah blah blah. A lot of comments from people that still think that you cannot create full-blown apps in Lovable, and to be honest, I don't blame them. In my videos I do it really quick, like one prompt to this, and yeah, obviously this is not always reality. If you want to create something really valuable, it obviously takes more than one prompt, and that is why in this video I will show you something that took 1400 prompts instead, just to show you that whatever your idea is, you can create it in Lovable or any other AI builder out there. So this is my Lovable, and as you can see, I have been creating a lot of different apps, and yeah, some of them are trash and some of them are not used anymore, as you can see right here. But there are some that are working and that are making me a good amount of money, and today that is exactly what I will show you. So right here we have the Build Loop app, and this is something that if you've seen any of my other videos or you went to the Build Loop prompt library, then this is the app that you already used, because this is really my ecosystem. I do everything from here. I have my landing page, I have a complete course built in here, and no, this is not something commercial. I just really want to show you what is possible, because every time I showed this to someone, they were like, oh my god, I didn't know an ecosystem like this was possible in Lovable. Because this app has everything. It has AI functionality, it has a complete back office, it has a course interface just like Skool, but even better, and everything is connected with each other. So that is exactly what you can expect from this video. Hey, so very quickly, if you're enjoying this video and learning anything from it, please like and subscribe. A lot of more videos like this are in the pipeline, so make sure that you get them recommended to you. I will just go through everything in here and show you exactly how I created it. So this is my landing page, and this is fairly simple, right? You just ask Lovable to create a landing page for you. This is something that I think most of you guys can already make yourself. But what I will now show you is something completely different. So let me go to my course/content page. And right here, you need to be logged in to actually see this. And this is the interface that all of my members see. So they have their journey, so they can click on continue learning. They have their profile, they can click on community. We have templates, we have activity right here. And this is still fairly simple. But every minute that I show something, it will become more interesting because the features will become more and more advanced. So right here, we have the course where we have all the lessons. So we have foundations, and we can click on it, and we have a video right here. We have some key patterns, and right here, everyone can ask questions. So I can click on back to course, and I can go to the toolkit where we have templates, prompts, the library, and AI tools. And right here, this is an interesting one because we have the idea finder, the prompt generator, we have some checklists, and a lot of more tools are coming soon. So right here, for example, the idea finder is when we open it, we can start a new conversation. And here people have the option, and I purely show this because it is really a case study. This is not to be commercial whatsoever, but if I'm talking about how to create stuff, why not show what I actually build? So right here we can choose between the live chat or our large language model. So if we choose the live chat, it opens up this chat, and it will now start asking you questions about what you do, who you are, what you enjoy doing, what your skill set is, and everything it needs to understand about you as a person. And based on this, it will do research, it will do web scraping, and it will come up with ideas that really hit the sweet spot for you as a person. So I will not demo this right now because there is more. So right here we have our community where we have posts, people can ask questions, but we also have our messages, and every incoming message will be here. People can message me directly, but they can also speak with others on the platform. And everything is just working nicely. But this is only the front end. This is what people see. But this is where it gets interesting, because obviously I want to understand everything that is happening inside of my app. And that is where I created the back office for. So right here, I am in my admin dashboard. And for now, I send myself a message because I already answered all the other questions. And I also don't want to expose the messages that people send me. So right here, we have my test account, and it says, "Hi Luke, how should I approach the building of my product? Just start writing right away with a small prompt, or should I make a larger one with more info? So right now I want to reply to this message. So I can click on quick reply, and right here I have my AI draft button. And this is really where the completeness of Lovable comes in. So I can say, for example, I would go for the bigger one with more info. And right now I can click on improve, and it will come up with a rewritten version. So it says, hey, I lean towards starting with a larger prompt with more info, sets a better foundation. So I can now from this ecosystem send the message directly. Also, I can leave it empty right here, and I can click on AI draft, and it will look into all my databases, everything from my ecosystem, and come up with an answer based on everything that is in there. So I can click on AI draft. You will learn a lot along the way and adjust as you go. So right now, if I think like, okay, this is good, I can just send it directly from here. So let's do that, and done. And I can now keep everything clean. I can keep an eye on everything that is happening, but there is a lot more in here. So right now I have the analytics as well. So right here we have everything, and I'm blurring some things right here because I obviously don't want you guys to see everything, but we have things like the growth of the platform, we have our conversion funnel. So from the wait list, we have signups, we have purchases, we have people who actually started, and here I can just see everything I want to keep an eye on. We also have users where we see their completion, their points for their achievements. We have the course right here, so all the lessons. We have the contact, and we have some information for all my Accelerator signups. So right here I have everything that I need. And the thing is, everything is connected. You can now create ecosystems in Lovable where everything is connected with each other. Like if I now want to add some new features, I can just prompt it in here. I can make an AI agent that can answer even more for me, do research. And yeah, from here, it is really just limitless, and that is the fun behind it. And also, it is just super valuable, and everything is together. And that is something that a lot of businesses just lack. They have all these loose systems, and that is exactly where so much value is. I want to start sharing a lot of more real info, real products, but all the other products that I'm making are under NDA, and this was everything that I could show. I am planning on making another product as well, and that is something that I'm thinking about completely building in public, so making videos, sharing everything. So if that sounds interesting, please let me know. Thanks for sticking around until the end. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes video, and it really showed you what is now possible in Lovable. And if so, make sure to like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and then I will see you in my next video.